Hey guys, Trent here from How to Haven with a quick tutorial. And today I'm going to show you how you can swap Brawl for Wax. And the easiest way to do that is on a decentralized exchange. So you can head to wax.alcor.exchange. It looks like this. And you can click on the swap tab if you'd like. Find the Brawl token. Type Brawl. Boom. And now if you want to swap one Wax, you'll see you're going to get 31.6 Brawl. Then you can just hit swap. Now, this is basically the market rate. If you want to make a limit trade, you can go to the markets tab, find the pairing here. Next, it'll be a lot like stocks with a chart and the buy and sell orders. And here you can set a limit trade if you're not looking to purchase at that price. Or you can do the good old market trade, just the same thing as what I just showed you. Anyways, for example, if you want to buy one Brawl, or 0.5 wax worth of Brawl, with a market trade, you can do that. Boom. Now I have 15.7 Brawl. And if you want to sell it, you can do the exact same thing. Make sure you confirm. Boom. And now you've successfully swapped your Brawl. If you don't want to use Alcor, there's another one you can use, and it's called DeFi Box. So we can head to wax.defibox.io. And it looks a little bit nicer. Here you can find Brawl, same way you did before. And, sometimes you get better rate on here versus Alcor, so it's always worth checking. So one wax is going to get us 31.7, which is a little different than Alcor. Yeah, so then you can swap, boom, and hit that to change the pairing. And then you can swap back. Boom. Successful. Anyways, guys, if this video helped you, drop a like, leave a comment, and thank you.